Let's see how to jump to a particular page in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we are working with a particularly long document and we want to jump to a particular page. Now, you can manually scroll down if that works. However, that process may be a bit too much of a hassle, especially since we're working with longer documents. And an easier way is to simply click the F5 key on your keyboard or the function key combined with the F5 key if that doesn't work. Now let's go ahead and try that out. And as you can see, we have this window pop up automatically, the find and replace window. And you'll have the option to select to go to what. And since we want to go to a particular page, let's say page 5 of our document, we can simply type in 5 on this field here and click go to and close that window. And as you can see, we are now on page 5 of our document. I hope this helped and I will see you soon.